Can you say hi, Dada?
She is diagnosed. Marianne is immediately
Can you say hi, Dada?
to the oncology ward, where Dr. Ferrero begins her treatments.
The good part about Hodgkin's
No, say hi, Dada.
is that it's a disease that is extremely
Hi, Dada.
sensitive to the treatments that we
Hi, Dada.
and that includes chemotherapy and that includes radiation therapy.
Say hi, Dada.
Therapy is a regimen of toxic chemicals intravenously delivered to patients to destroy cancer cells. Used in
Hi, Dada.
doses of radiation, it
Daddy?
effective
Daddy?
patients.
Dada?
Requires
Daddy?
and cause
What do you mean, no?
side effects.
Say hi,
It
Dada.
was the sickest Marianne has ever
Clap your
been.
hands.
And
Daddy's home from work. Yay!
to keep it together.
Yay! Daddy's home from work.
Marianne's fragile body, leaving her
Hi, Dada.
to even speak.
Having Mark by my side
Hi, Dada.
kept me going.
Hi, Dada.
Because there were times when
Hi, Dada.
since I wasn't talking, I still
Hi,
had
Dad.
to communicate with Mark. Because I would always be
Wanna give me a hug? Wanna give me kisses? Who is that?
Because I would just have emotions.
Hi, Dada.
That gave me more strength to deal with.